Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. So now let's get into today's video. So today we are going to discuss about Associate System Engineer role from one of the top MNC, that is CGI. And one of the good thing here is that this is a non-coding job. So for people who are not interested in coding at all and want to work in IT, so for them this is a better opportunity. And also the skill set for this role is very basic, which means you should have a good knowledge on computer hardware and software. That means you should be able to troubleshoot the end user issues and provide resolution within some period of time. That might be either via phone call or chats or Skype or email. And also you should have a good knowledge on internet and connectivity issues, which is again a very basic thing. So getting into other details, this role falls under administration category and the city mentioned here is Bangalore, Karnataka. So that means this job they have posted it from Bangalore, it's not your work location. And it's a full-time opportunity from CGI, so it will be a permanent job. And coming to experience, it comes under level 1, 0 to 2 years. So candidates who are having 0 to 2 years of experience are also eligible to apply for this role. Even if you do not have any experience, you can apply for this. So now let's see what will be the qualification for this. So any graduate is eligible to apply this role with 50% or even more than that aggregate during your academics. But you should be of either 2020 or 2021 passed out. So for the candidates who are having a bit less aggregate throughout their academics, for them this is a better opportunity. So even if you are having 50% of aggregate, you can just apply for this role. And once you are hired, you might get posted either in Bangalore or Chennai or Hyderabad or Mumbai. And skills, database. So if you are having some database skills, like that might be either Oracle or MySQL or other database skills, that will be an added advantage to your profile for getting shortlisted. And let's see what will be the job description in brief. So basic knowledge on operating system like Windows 10 or Mac OS. So good understanding of space management, table or index space fragmentation analysis and reorganization. Here they have mentioned it as preferable. That means even if you are not having any knowledge on these topics, that is fine. So no worries. And you should have knowledge on security and auditing procedures. You should have good communication skills in order to manage all the stakeholders. Basic knowledge on ITIL process. Basic knowledge in replication and cloud computing. So for these topics, cloud computing, replication and ITIL process, you can just Google it to get some knowledge before applying for this role, so that you can answer the questions regarding these topics. Also, you should be flexible to work in 24/7 rotational shifts. So that might be either day shift or night shift. So this is a very quick information about this job description and eligibility criteria. So if you are matching up with this eligibility criteria, just apply it right away before the job expires. So now let's see how you are going to apply for this. If you are interested to apply for this role, just click on I am interested. And here you can see new applicant. That means if you are not having any previous account in CGI, you have to enter your email address here, enter your country and click on create profile and then give your further details and apply for this drive. And returning user, that means if you are already having an account in CGI, just enter your email address and password and log in and apply for this. Even if you forget your password, no worries, you can just click on forget your password. So that is how you have to apply for this role. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding jobs from some other reputed companies in our channel, so please do check it out. Also I've recently posted job openings from TCS, Deloitte and Cognizant, so please do check that as well in our channel. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.